Hello riders. Welcome back to SG Riders. Today we are going to talk about one of the most popular and trusted commuter bikes in the world, the Hero Splendor Plus 2026 model. Hero has finally refreshed this legendary bike with new graphics, improved styling, and the same reliable engine that millions of riders trust every day. So if you are planning to buy a budget-friendly bike with amazing mileage and low maintenance, then make sure you watch this video till the end. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to SG Riders for more amazing bike reviews. Design and new look. First, let's talk about the design and styling of the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus. Hero has kept the classic Splendor identity, but they have added new sporty graphics and fresh color options that make the bike look more modern. The bike features stylish fuel tank graphics, sleek body design, chrome finishing on some elements, classic commuter styling. The front headlamp remains simple but elegant, giving the bike a familiar and practical appearance. Overall, the design is simple, clean, and perfect for everyday riders. Engine and performance. Now let's talk about the engine and performance. The 2026 Hero Splendor Plus comes with a 97.2 cubic centimeters single-cylinder air-cooled engine. This engine produces around 8 horsepower of power, 8.05 Newton-meters of torque. The engine is known for its smooth performance, durability, and excellent fuel efficiency. This bike is not designed for racing, but it is perfect for daily commuting, city rides, and long-term reliability. The gearbox is a 4-speed manual transmission, which makes the bike easy to ride even for beginners. Mileage, the mileage king. One of the biggest reasons behind the popularity of the Splendor is its incredible mileage. The Hero Splendor Plus 2026 can deliver around 65 to 75 kilometers per liter, depending on riding style and road conditions. That is why many people call it the mileage king of commuter bikes. For students, office workers, and delivery riders, this bike is a very economical option. Features. Even though this is a commuter bike, Hero has added some useful features. Key features include i3S idle stop-start system, alloy wheels, tubeless tires, comfortable long seat, strong suspension setup, reliable braking system. The i3S technology automatically turns off the engine when the bike is idle and restarts it when you press the clutch. This helps save fuel, comfort, and ride quality. Hero Splendor Plus is known for its comfortable riding experience. The bike comes with telescopic front suspension, dual rear shock absorbers. This setup helps absorb bumps and rough roads easily. The seat is also very comfortable, making it perfect for daily commuting and long rides in the city. Price and availability. Now let's talk about the price. The expected price of the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus in India is around 75,000 Indian rupees to 90,000 Indian rupees, ex-showroom. The final price may vary depending on the variant and location. But even in 2026, the Splendor remains one of the most affordable and value-for-money bikes in the market. Why Splendor is still so popular? You might wonder why the Splendor is still so popular after so many years. The reasons are simple. Heavy check mark, extremely reliable. Heavy check mark, very low maintenance cost. Heavy check mark, amazing fuel efficiency. Heavy check mark, easy to ride. Heavy check mark, strong resale value. These reasons make it one of the best commuter motorcycles ever made. Final verdict. So overall, the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus continues the legacy of one of the most trusted bikes in the world. It may not be the most powerful bike, but when it comes to reliability, mileage, and affordability, it still stands at the top. If you want a simple, durable, and fuel-efficient motorcycle, the Splendor Plus is still a great choice. Outro. So riders, that was the 2026 Hero Splendor Plus full overview. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to SG Riders for more amazing bike reviews. See you in the next video. Ride safe.